Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Jainatul Firdaus. ID number is T2019-6160 and I'm from English Department 4. Here I want to explain about the 6th step in the process of the research. Okay, the first step here is identifying a research problem. Identifying a research problem, it means that we can start a research study from identifying a topic to study some problem to be need resolved. Which is research problem consists of specifying an issue to study, developing a justification, and suggesting the importance of the study. And identifying a research problem here is that defines about the goal of the research. And the second one is reviewing the literature. Reviewing the literature, it is important because it has an impact on the research process. Reviewing the literature, it means that have relation with locating summarized books, journal, or article and index publications on the topic. So after we have some literature, we can selectively choosing which literature to include in our review, and then after that we can make some conclusion from the literature and we can write the conclusion in our research. And the third one is specifying a purpose for research. Specifying a purpose for research here, it is so important statement because in this step it introduces the entire study and then signals the procedures will use to collect data and identifies the type of results. On the other hand, specifying a purpose for research here is consists of the major intent for a study it into specific hypothesis or research question. The purpose statement contains the major focus of the study, like the participant and then the location or the place of the inquiry. This purpose statement here is then narrow to research question that we have planned to answer in our research. And the fourth one is collecting data. Collecting data here is it means that identify and select individual for our study, or we can getting their permission to our study, and we can take or we can gathering some information by asking some question or observation. And the main focus from the observation here is to collect accurate data from individuals. This step will be produce a collection of numbers like test scores, frequency of behaviors, and in words like responses, opinions, and quotes. And next is the fifth one is analyzing and interpret data. Analyzing and interpret data here is we can take some data and we can implicate drawing our conclusion research with the tables, figures, and then the pictures to make conclusion. And we can explaining the conclusion in words to provide answer to the research question. Report analysis and interpretation in section of a research report usually titled by the research findings and our discussion. And the last one is reporting and evaluating data. Reporting research, I think it is we can distribute put our research in campus or in school or maybe in our family to ways to show our research. And reporting research years involves determining an audience and compiling a report in a format acceptable to this audience, and then writing the report in a way that is sensitive to all readers. And about evaluating data, or research here is involves about assessing the quality. So if we say about evaluating, this is we can say about the quality of our research, quality of our research, quality of our study, using with the standards development by individuals in education. And then we need some way to determine the quality of our research, like publish our research, or we can report presented to an audience of practitioners. I think that's all for me. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.